Kirill.
Again, Kirill. Kirill. Nice to meet you guys.
Is that the third Kirill? No, that's the second one, right?
No, I'm not going to say my name again. This is Loanbase. It's a global lending marketplace. We use Bitcoin as the rails, and where's my clicker?
Here it is. Here's your clicker.
We use Bitcoin as the rails in order to solve a very interesting problem. There's a number of marketplace lenders in the US, Canada, East and Western Europe that have done an amazing job at revolutionizing the way lending is being done. They've introduced a brand new model which is helping a lot of small businesses, individuals, and so on get loans. And banks are scared of this because these companies are doing extremely well. But the problem with these companies is that they're highly localized. They're operating within the countries that they're formed in, and they're not accessible to borrowers from emerging markets. We found this to be an amazing opportunity to use the blockchain, the power of the blockchain, in order to solve this amazing problem. We facilitated in the past year, we facilitated over 7,800 loans worth more than $6 million, and the most amazing part is that the borrowers came from 70 different countries. Now, how good is our solution? We've had 10% growth month over month since we started, and 50% of our new users are coming from referrals. That means that each one of the users that's coming in has been referred by another user from our platform. And that's a lending platform. Like, we're taking people's money, right? And they're happy. They're coming back. This has allowed us to become the market leader within the Bitcoin space. We're currently funding more than 55% of the loans within the Bitcoin space. And we're able to do that because our customers are happy. We currently generate $590,000 worth of loan each month, and with a growth of 120% year over year so far. Now I'll tell you about the market in general. Within this year, within the Bitcoin space, there are going to be $15 million worth of loans generated. We hold more than 55% of that. Within the P2P space, that is the dollar market-based lending, there are going to be about $15 billion being generated. Globally, by 2025, this is going to be a $1 trillion market. And these marketplaces, they can go out and reach that market. We can because we use Bitcoin in order to facilitate transactions globally. Our team has gone through the Boost Accelerator in San Francisco, and we're based in Sofia, Bulgaria, and we have a branch in San Francisco as well. Now, just to remind you, this year, if there's a company that was funding, it would have been funded $55 billion in loans. It would have had a $2 billion valuation. This is a $1 trillion market. We've already raised $830,000.
Blank. Alrighty, awesome. That's a great presentation, and I'm going to ask questions. I'll keep it, thank you. I'll keep it, yeah. There we go. Questions. You really walk the plank.
Damn. I love that.
Do you have to have bitcoins to loan money? Or?
No. That's the beauty of it. Bitcoin is just the transfer mechanism.
Right.
Is it sort of a remittance play? Is it?
So we use Bitcoins as the remittance tool,
yeah.
And it's a very cheap and efficient way to transfer funds globally.
Are there certain markets, for example, Germany, Turkey, where you see a lot of loans? Or
so the major channel for us is Brazil. Globally to Brazil, that's about 20% of our market right now.
How much is your cut?
My what?
How much is your cut of the loan?
Between 1% and 3%. Between 1% and 3%.
Of the principal or of the
principal? Of the principal.
Any more questions? No? Cool.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you very much.